Hi guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Multiventures. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to tie this two pattern scarf. Let's get started. I'll be using these two scarf and I'll tie the two edge of the scarf together. I'll secure the edges of the scarf tightly. After I'm done with that, I will place it at the back of my head, and I'll be bringing the first layer up, which is the black. I'll be bringing it up. It depends on the color you want as the first layer. You might either use the peach or the black. So I'll be pleating the front to have at least like 3 to 4 pleats. Then after I'm done, I'll try and hold and secure it, not to remove with my other hand. I will repeat the same step with the peach color. Pleat about 3 to 4 pleats and hold tightly. After I've secured the two scarves together, I try shifting it to the back to get a good shape of the scarf, and I'll be bringing the black color on it again and arrange well. Pleat and arrange just to have a good nice shape. After I secure that, I'll be repeating the same step with the peach color as well. And I'll be securing the two at the back. I'll secure it tightly. Then I'll be shifting it to the back a little, just to bring out the beauty of the scarf. And I'll bring the two edge of the gele and tie it on top of the scarf. I'll try and knit the scarf to have a neat and well pleated scarf. I'll be holding the essence scarf that I have out with pin, just to have a neat scarf. I'm trying to hold the essence down to have a neat work done. I'm still trying to go in with the pin and all. You have to be careful while putting a pin on your head, not to wound yourself. So after I'm done with the pinning, I'll try and arrange the gele to see if there anywhere I have error, or just to make the scarf come out neatly, which I'm doing, which it is. So you have your 2 pattern scarf like that. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, like and share. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you for staying tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.